Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this high messy bun hairstyle on medium length hair using just 3 loops. To start, I've curled the hair, but you can also do this with straight hair. And I'm just going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face on both sides at the front. Then I'm going to take the very top section of the crown area and I'm just going to smooth this back and tie it into a ponytail using an elastic band. Next, add some texture powder all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull the hair for more texture and volume. I'm then going to take a section of hair from the top of the ear and then I'm going to angle it up towards that elastic band and take the same size section on the opposite side. And I'm going to bring these up above that first ponytail and also grab hold of that ponytail with the sections of hair. And we're going to tie them all together with another elastic band, but on the last turn only pull the ends about halfway through to create a loop. Now I'm just going to pop a finger through each side of the loop and push it forward until it meets the top of the head. Then secure with a few bobby pins until it's nice and secure. Apply some more of that texture powder over the loop and use your fingers to gently pinch and pull for more messy volume. Next, I'm going to split the remaining hair in half, and taking that top section I'm just going to bring it up to as close to that first loop as I can get it, and I'm going to secure it in another ponytail, again only pulling it part way through on the last turn to create another loop. Add some more of your texture powder to the loop and I'm gently going to grab each side and pull it outwards to make it larger, and then I'm going to push it towards that first loop by slipping my fingers through it and pushing it forward, and then again securing it with as many bobby pins as needed. Then pinch and pull at that loop to match the texture of the first one. And I'm going to repeat the same steps on that last section of hair, so smooth it up towards that last section. Create your ponytail, pulling it part way through to create your last loop. Apply your texture powder and then pinch on the edges and pull them outwards for some more volume. Push it up to meet the last loop and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.